Dan, what do we got going on? Well, we're over here with Ty. He's like the master of all tackle builders. And
Let me see here real quick.
I just wanted to come over here. He's got this little shed in here. I don't even know what he's got in there, but he's got some serious stuff. So we can come pull it out. We took like a 30-minute car ride up the islands to come meet up with him because he's the best. So I wanted to have him rig my gun so I feel confident when I smoke these big fish. We're gonna rig up lines with some 300-pound mono to these 54 Floridians we got over here, so we have some line straps on them when we steer around some wrecks deep diving with the tanks. So it's about to get real interesting.
You're gonna attach it from the gun. What do you want to do?
I wanted to have it attached to the gun, and then this little bungee just for a little bungee. I would like to have a clip on both ends, so I can clip and tie it to the gun. So I just tie it on the gun and leave it on there. If I'm free shafting, it don't really matter, right? I can always.
The other thing we can do is we can crimp a piece of mono on the gun, so it's a big loop, and you clip this on, and then you can put a swivel on here, and then we can crimp to that, and then you can take the whole thing off.
Okay. Yeah, then we can take the whole thing off. Then we'll put 2 swivels on both guns. Hey, what's up, man? We're over here at Murray Marina. We're looking for some action. Thinking about taking out one of these boats. Flat, calm seas. It's just another typical day in the Florida Keys. Come visit us at Walk the Plank Adventures.
Big deal. You see it?
Is it a male or a female? Gorgeous. So we're out here at Boca Chica Beach. This is called the Rock House or Driftwood House. There it is. Pretty wicked, huh? What do they do there? I'm not really sure what they do, but I'm sure some weird stuff happens out here. I mean,
Yeah, look how decorated.
I heard they spotted unicorns, skunk apes, sea monkeys. You guys want to come by the naked beach? Dang, where you at? We're over here at Geyser Key. I just spotted a fine specimen of an osprey. It's got a houndfish in his mouth, and if you look, he's holding it by his talon over there. I'm just gonna try to get close. Is he okay? Man, that might have been a heck of a fight.
I wonder if he's got a fish hook or something.
Wow, that would sound like a treble hook in there.
Oh, I hope not. He's crying.
It's an osprey.
It looks like it's stuck to his foot.
What'd the wildlife refuge say?
What are you looking for, Dan?
Well, we got a concerned citizen over here. She thinks that it's hooked with some kind of hook in the fish's head. I don't see any hook. I'm gonna get a little closer.